So as you saw behind me, we stacked the pile of the insulation that we're going to be using, the rock wool, that is going to be insulating the floor. But we have an exciting product. Basecamp reached out to us and sent us dust masks, and it would be very annoying to be needing to wear now a mask, but we do have to for our safety and our health, so we don't breathe any rock wool. And yeah, the big mask can get heavy, sweaty and annoying, so I'm really excited to try out their masks. They are with active carbon fibers and have 6 layers. This one is the basic one, and there's also a premium one that has a bit more hold and a better, maybe for longer work. This is gonna be probably Deivids, because he's doing much more work. And I think the problem with us is that we don't wear masks just because they're so annoying and sweaty and heavy and complicated and just don't feel very well. I hope that these ones will feel very nice and comfortable and make us wear them more often in jobs where we have to, especially David doing metal work and woodwork inside. They, as I said, have 6 layers, so they will definitely protect from quite a bit of dust, and they're very lightweight, so they're pretty good for everyday use for small jobs where you don't want to bring out the big heavy mask. And their selling point is that they're affordable and high quality. And the good thing is they come with a lot of extra filters. That is the expensive part on the big masks. They're actually pretty pricey, so I am very amazed of the price. We should also be wearing long pants, but I think we will blow ourselves with a compressor. We cannot blow our lungs with a compressor, so we do gotta put a mask on and get it done with. But I feel definitely a difference with the rubber one. The rubber one, I would be sweating already. How do I look? Professional? And what I really like about this mask, I was a bit confused how it goes on, but it has this Velcro that is actually not your typical Velcro, but it does hook in very well. So I really like this Velcro. That's really awesome, because usually, you know, they stick on other fabrics, and this one does not stick. So it only sticks on the one it's supposed to. So David, get your mask and let's get to work.